Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency, Mr. Kalen Osen, especially my teacher TC program and his family, Honorable LA program and MS program. I am Fajar Rahman. I am from Central Java, exactly Purworejo. Before I talk about my future, I wanna tell you about my story from ages until right now. The first I wanna tell you my experience, and previously I came here exactly English village. I, my major is automotive, but my teacher ever said if you want to improve skill, you have to study English the first. So that's motivation from my teacher in my senior high school. Mm, and then and then she is motivator for me. I always think about study English in English village because English is essential for me. Maybe if I can speak English well, I will attempt good job, and then I will visit abroad. I took many years ago because English is international language in the world. So maybe everyone everyone needs it because when interview in the company use speak English, and after that use the certificate exactly TOEFL, IELTS and TOEIC. I always think about that uh, because all that is more essential. When I was in 12th class senior high school, I prepared to visit English village in Pari Kediri. When I was graduating in senior high school, and then I visit here. Before I before I arrive here, I have to prepare file to regulate basic English course. The prepare is difficult maybe, and so many file to submit. Before that, I have to visit the hospital in my hometown to check up coronavirus. That is expensive because I have to buy 130,000, and then I have to mm, ask permission from my hometown, my village, and then I book the train ticket, and next in the morning at 6:30 o'clock I went to English I went to visit English village and use the train because it's the cheaper than other transportation, just 30 80,000 from my hometown until Kediri. When I was inside train, I look the view from Jogja, I look Malioboro and other beautiful view, and I look the Labu mountain and look the Liman mountain, and then when I arrived the train station in Kediri, I was picked up by driver from BEC, use the car and always ask him about English village because he is native Kediri and he sober served in BEC many years ago. Uh, I still remember his name is Mr. Mr. Zaki. So very handsome, maybe he is so very rich. When I arrived in BEC, I submit the file and I I was surprised disinfectant by officer, and I was continue sent to my boarding house. When I arrived in boarding house, Mr. Zaki said, "Mm, you have to keep spirit, look for knowledge. That's that's not easy because so you must discipline manage time. You will get many problems in your life, especially you are so far from your parents." After that, I paid to Mr. Zaki and met the owner boarding house. The owner boarding house welcomed me. Next I came into boarding house. The owner is so humble people. The first time I met roommate, his name is Brother Har. For I stay in boarding house. I got many friends in our boarding house. For I stayed in boarding house exactly 1 week, and then in the morning I have schedule is grand opening new student CTC 151. The grand opening was opened by Mr. Kalen Osen, the owner from Basic English course. I will I will um, I will enter study in BEC, in CTC program. I got many friends and many teachers. After that will be examination but graduate CTC program. I didn't feel confidence. After that we will write opening graduate CTC. May I be enter TC program the moment time we will stay up in garden hall and listen the announcement graduate CTC program. And Alhamdulillah I passed CTC program. To TC program I got new friends. I got new experience, the new teacher, new lesson, and TC program. We have to speak English very everywhere, every time, every day. Because if we don't speak English, we can get banishment from TC, from teacher, from LA, maybe from MS program. And in TC program, so many class, so many time, and we have to manage time because we join class so very in the morning. I want to speak English well, and then why I choose BEC? Because BEC is a famous course in Paris and the biggest course in Paris. and then the first course in Paris, and then when I in CTC, my teacher is Miss Ranilda, Mr. Fa is teacher grammatical, and Mr. Ranida is teach a speaking lesson. Uh, my boarding house has has program, so many program in uh, after pray maghrib, I we must to we have to study together, and the and then we must pray together Isya and pray together subuh. In TC program, we must very active, uh, because TC program, uh, the teacher will call us to come forward if we not very active. Maybe teacher will give us give us question for us in TC program. In TC program, I still confused about Mr. Budi pronunciation well, and then I must try to listen pronunciation from Mr. Budi. Maybe after graduate TC program, I will join to MS or look for university, but I don't have many long time. Maybe I want to join the first in MS program. In MS program, I can to share my knowledge with the students, student, and we can to sharing about lesson experience with new student, maybe this student. I will improve. I want to join MS program the first. After that, I want to look for scholarship in abroad or universitas in Indonesia. In MS program, we can sharing the knowledge, we can sharing the experience in CTC program or TC program. We can improve the speaking well, sharing the lesson with the STIP program, or review lesson in CTC or TC program. And if I join in MS program, I can improve confidence about myself. And then I wanna tell you about my future after graduate TC program. I will join in MS program the first. Maybe I will prepare to look for scholarship, prepare fun, prepare way of thinking. But I have two options, that is join MS program or Regreston University in abroad or universitas in Indonesia, because that is stunning for me, get experience life, continue to study in university, that is essential for me. I want to choose universitas in Indonesia maybe, or want to choose Universitas UGM in Yogyakarta, because Universitas Gadjah Mada so nearly with my hometown Purworejo, maybe 37 or 1 hours to visit UGM. In I join registration in Universitas UGM, I have to join in bimbel SBMPTN, and I wanna choose major is English or automotive, because when I studied in senior high school, my major is automotive, because automotive is essential for me in my senior high school. Maybe UGM is the biggest university than other university in Indonesia, and so many smart people in UGM. Before I close the story, why I choose University UGM, because Universitas Gadjah Mada is have many quality, because UGM number 3 for universitas in Indonesia after ITB maybe, or Universitas Indonesia in Jakarta. Number 2, so many scholarship going to abroad. Before I close the story, I wanna to apologize with BEC family, especially Mr. Kalen, Osen, my teacher, TC program, LA program, and MS program, because last morning I came late and my name tag taken by MS. Maybe if I have many mistake in story or in BEC with MS or LA, I'm sorry, please God forgive me. I will improve my attitude, my 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 character when I study in BEC. Maybe that is my story. mm, if I have many mistakes in the story, mm, from open until close, mm, the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.